as we are coming to the end of the course, we're going to do a mini project to practice what we have discussed so far. Now, this mini project is to create an ATM simulator. And to keep it simple, let's just do it for one account. And this account has a balance of $1 million. The user can choose to check balance, deposit money, withdraw money, or choose to exit. So let's first do balance equal to $1 million. Okay, we will have a while loop. I'll do while true. That means I will not stop until user choose to exit. So while true, let's print all the options for the user. So print, welcome to ATM. Now print, 1, check balance. Print, 2, deposit. Print, 3, withdraw. Print, 4, exit. After that, we want to ask the user what he or she wants to do. So choice equal to, this choice we need to compare with 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to convert this choice from a string to an integer. So integer input, enter your choice. So if choice equal to 1, that means the user wants to check balance. So we can print your balance is this number. Or if choice equal to 2, that means user wants to deposit money. We need to ask how much he wants to deposit and add this amount to the balance. So we are going to do amount equal to, convert this to an integer. Integer input, enter the amount to deposit. Now here you can choose to check whether this amount is a valid number. So if amount is greater than 0, I will add it to the balance. Right? Then I'll print your new balance is plus string balance. And else, if this amount is 0 or negative number, it doesn't make sense. I'll print invalid amount. Okay, so this is when user want to deposit money. What if user choose number 3 to withdraw money? Okay, it will be similar to deposit. So I will copy and paste it here. So choice equal to 3, enter the amount to withdraw. And when we withdraw money, first, this withdrawal amount must be positive. And second, we must have enough balance. So if amount is greater than 0 and amount is less than or equal to balance, we can allow the user to withdraw. So the new balance will be balance minus amount. Right? So the new balance is this. Else, okay. Else depends on whether its amount is negative or amount is more than balance. So we can use L if amount, if it is less than or equal to 0, we will print invalid amount. Right? Else, that means is more than balance. So we will print insufficient fund. Okay. And the last scenario is when user choose to exit. So else, that means user choose number 4, I want to exit. How do we exit from the loop? We just use break. It will help us to exit from the loop. Now let's run this code. Okay, enter your choice. Choice number 1. Okay, so my new balance is 1 million. Okay, now I want to deposit. I want to deposit 1,000. So this is my new balance. And now I want to withdraw 1,000. So my balance back to 1 million. And now I want to exit. Okay, you can also run the code to test different scenarios. So maybe I want to deposit, by this time I want to deposit minus $100. It will tell me it's an invalid amount. Or I can try to withdraw more than 1 million. I want to withdraw 2 million. It will tell me insufficient fund. Okay, now I want to exit. Then it will just stop the loop for you.